Back at a different field today, just catching the last of the sun with Ruthless, who is now fully repaired. Put her tail back on and finally gave her the rest of her tape skin, which should hopefully prevent a repeat of similar incidents. Lovely. Behaving very nice. Doesn't seem to have any trim issues after having her tail knocked off and put back on. It's an okay tail slide. Popped out of that one a little bit funny. She feels very calm today, probably because the air is very calm. There we go. If I remember to input rudder as well, I can do rolls at pretty low altitude and airspeed. A little bit of inverted. Let's bring her in and we'll check how her battery's doing. Brought her in a bit too hot there. I think we'll do a go around. And I think I landed downwind. That also won't help. Alright. Avoid the tennis nets. She's got quite a right veer at high alpha now, which keeps messing up my landings. There we go. Much better. See how the battery's doing. How are we doing? 11.3. I think I may as well just be prudent and pull her off now because I've got 2 more packs with me. Try her on the other one of these little 1000 milliamp hours. Alright. Beautiful. She just always seems to be a bit wiggly in loops. One of those things where I might have to actually go to low rates. Yeah, that did the trick. Silent run. Whoop, a little low there. Oh, they very kindly set up some string for me. I like that. I think the string might have collapsed though, so we'll see if any of it's usable. Yeah, the strings are all down. I'm not going to try and fly under these, I'll just dunk my plane a lot. World's lumpiest split S. A slightly tidier split S. Nice full back stick. Beautiful. It's a little bit higher than 45 degrees. Alright, we'll go for another landing and check the pack again. There we go. Lovely. How's the motor doing? Warm, but it's a cold day, so I'd really have to overspec it to get it hot. 11.4. I guess pulling this off now would save having to storage it when I get home. Time to fly the last battery, which is an 850, but it's a higher C rating, so it's about the same weight as the other two, or maybe even a little heavier. Also, the 1000s are both shrunk to about the capacity of a 600 from all the lifelong abuse they've had. So this one's actually probably a bigger tank, despite all appearances. Alright, let's see if she's got a bit more guts with this setup. About the same, but not bad. Just do a catch and send her off again. That's about as good as she gets in a glide. That's a decent ratio, honestly. It's way better than I feared she was going to be in her earlier configuration where she had the more swept back wings. Lovely. Let's send her up again. Set double tail slide. Waggle waggle. $11.4. Okay. Because this is the last pack, I'll fly just a little bit more because I'm having fun. Let's do a little gentle slow flying. Whoop. That always happens when I try to fly low. I fly just a little too low and she goes dunk. How much grass did we get in the intake? Less than an entire worm farm's worth. It's better than usual. Shame, if that string was up I'd have a go at flying under it like I usually do at the other field. But I don't think that would be a good idea here. She can be very sedate when she wants to be. Zigged when I should have zagged, dived a bit hard. Alright, slow circuit, and then I think we better bring her in for landing. Lovely autumn leaves as a backdrop. I'm very fortunate for the weather today. Caught her a bit hard there. But she's all good. Well, that's Ruthless in her prime, it seems. She's been behaving beautifully well. She is a little bit heavier than she used to be, but yeah, that's my fault for putting a tiny C20 motor on a plane this size. If she flies like she doesn't have unlimited vertical, but she's doing beautifully and I'm very happy with her, and I will hopefully not ding her up again as bad as I did yesterday. Never going to build another box fuse with a single central fin. It's just structural weakness waiting to happen. Alright, I smooch the plane as is customary, and we'll turn her off for now.